Hello. Hey guys, it is Kayla here on Dumbo and Friends for a video. As you tell, I'm in the fish room, and you can only see two, or 1 1/4, or a slit of a tank that I'll show y'all the whole picture of at the end of the video. But right now, I just wanted to show y'all. It's talking about birds, even though I am in the fish that glare. That glare, though. I'm so sorry about that glare from there. But I'm so sorry about that glare. I can't really help that. But I know I'm in the fish room, but this does have to do with birds instead of fish. And for all you bird lovers out there, I know you like to read books and take books out with you when you go bird watching, or at least that's what I like to do, knowing that I have bird feeders in my backyard. But I have just a few. I have 2 small bird books that you'll be able to bring with you when you're bird watching. They're pretty small. The first one is Beginner's Guide to Birds. It is Stokes in Eastern Region. It's by Stokes. Here's the cover of it. You can get this at Books A Million by in Brookwood Mall. It's pretty good. It has it like separates them. It tells you a little bit about the birds, and then it has a color tab indexes, an index. So as you can tell on the pages, that each one is like a different color, and that tells you what it is. And it separates them by like size. So like birds with large amounts of yellow are just gonna have a yellow tab. And it's that region, the yellow on it. So it's Eastern Region. And then it tells you their ID, what their song or their voice is, where they usually live. Sorry, I'm trying to use my head to block that. Their population, like is it going up and down, or is it the same? And their nesting and attracting. And it gives you a tip, tells you how big they are, tells you their name, and it shows you the regions. And I think green. I think green is like where it goes to I don't know. It's like has green, yellow, and blue for some of the places. And I think it tells you at the front what each one is, like what each of them means. It also tells you on tips on identifying birds, attracting the birds. Range map. Yellow is summer range, green is year-round, and blue is winter. So if I can just go to a random bird here. Let's see, rose-breasted gosbeak. So it is yellow right around there. So that's where it is for summer, I believe, is what yellow is. But some of them have more than one color, as in like this white-throated sparrow. There's a tan form and a white form, and I just think it's pretty cool. Yeah. Sorry, this little thing just popped up on the computer. But I usually use it a lot, and I'm gonna try and fix that. There we go. I use it a lot whenever, because I go out and I take pictures of birds on my bird feeders, and so usually when I come back inside, I'll go back, look at my photos, and I'll, use this. So that's this one. You can pause the video to look at it. Books A Million, Brookwood Mall. Here's the other one. It's called What's That Bird by DK. Beginner's Guide. Now this is a little bit longer, but that's what it looks like. It shows you how to tell similar birds apart in their habitats, and it features more than 150 of North America's most common species. And it only costs $10? $9.95, which rounds up to 10. And it tells you birds that are close to home, as in, well, it tells you the range and seasons of a lot of birds and their behavior, what they are, and all that. And then it says, number 1, close to home. And then it tells you birds that usually hang out near houses and And then it does close to home, sparrows and finches, and then it goes on, and then it finally has an index that tells all the bird types that it has and what pages they are and what colors. It's a pretty good one. As again, you can also get this at Books A Million at the Brookwood Mall. So that's what that one looks like. And I guess since this is a pretty long video, but I guess I'll just show y'all one more that I personally kind of like myself, even though it's not like a take outside, but it is National Geographic Field Guide to the Birds of Eastern North America. Pretty thick. I wouldn't say take this one with you, but each tab tells you which one it is. Like hawks, the first tab is hawks. Second tab is sandpipers. Third tab is gulls. Fourth tab is flyatchers, then warblers, then sparrows, and it tells you what all they look like. It tells you which one it is, where their region is, and where they go. So, yeah. As again, you can get all these that I showed you at Books A Million at the Brookwood Mall. Like, yeah, not the one that's like inside near the food court, but the one that if you park in the garage, you see the big sign. So it's not Kids Books A Million, it's like the actual Books A Million. But yeah, so we've gotten this one, and this one, and you can pause the video, go back, and I hope y'all hopefully can get some. And so I have enough time to make another video, so I'll just stop this one here so it's not too long for you guys, and then I'll probably talk about either more bird books or aquarium. So yeah, this is Kayla, and